Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to delete Ideogram account. So if you also want to delete Ideogram account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now type in ideogram.ai, press enter. Now wait for a while. You can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Ideogram. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. From this interface, you'll be able to explore several images created by others. You'll also be able to create your own image if you want. Due to some reason, if you want to delete your account, it is very simple. All you have to do is look at left. At bottom, you'll be able to find several icons over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find 3 lines. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. You can see the options like help and documentation, manage muted users, delete account, API and logout. Simply click on the option delete account that you can see at the third. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. All your generations and data will be permanently deleted. The process usually takes 48 hours, during which you cannot re-register with the same email. If you want to delete your account, what you have to do is type in delete right over here. Simply click on this box. Now type delete. Now what you have to do is click on the yes option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here your account deletion is being processed. It will take about 48 hours. After that, your account will be deleted. So that is how you delete Ideogram account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.